So after the queen has came back from the sky, it lays eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs came out. Soldiers, what is grub? You can see it is grub. That is cocoon actually. Before it is a grub. I can show you. That is the grub. Okay, that the soldiers or the workers used to take them outing, for airing, for sunshine, etc. Soldiers guard them. So it is soldiers' duty to guard them. Workers feed and clean them. Who feed and clean them? Workers. And carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. And it is the workers' duty to look after them and take them for airing, exercise and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoon. So after 2 or 3 days, what happens to the grub? It turns into the cocoon and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. And this cocoon lie down for 3 more weeks without eating, without doing any kind of activity. Then what happens? Then the cocoon breaks and the perfect ant appears. Then what happens? The cocoon breaks and perfect ant appear. And now it is, you can see from the cocoon a perfect ant is appearing. And now it's time for teaching and training. And after when a new ant has came out from the grub, the time for training and teaching starts. Okay, new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. And these new ants used to learn work or get training from the old ants. After a few weeks training, the young ones are ready to go out into the big old world of work. And after this journey, after this training, the young ants are also ready to go outside the world for the work. An anthill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, beetles, that is the lesser breed of ants, and the green fly. Okay, so do you allow other people to live in your home? No, but the ants allow other creatures to live in their nest. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nests? Why? For several reasons. Why? Because there are several reasons. Some give off them pleasant smell, pleasant to the ants' senses, because some of them produce pleasant smell. Others give sweet juices and some are just pets. And some give sweet juice and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs are to the humans. And some are the pets that are the game for